Assuming Composer is already installed, run Composer create project using the Drupal recommended project repo and put it in a folder called Lando. Once it's done, cd into the Lando folder. Verify that the files are there. And now run Lando init. This will start our configuration of Lando. You're going to select Drupal 9, and your web directory is going to be the relative web root. And let's just call this Lando installation app. And let's go ahead and start it by running Lando start. Once complete, grab the HTTP URL and go over to your browser and load that page. Run through the installation steps as normal. Select standard, and then enter Drupal 9, Drupal 9, Drupal 9, and change the host to database. Complete the configuration form. I'm just entering random information to finish the installation. The default Drupal Lando installation is now complete.